Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can make and receive phone calls on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Now on your home screen, to make a phone call you need to open up the phone app. It's right here at the bottom. Now once you have opened up the phone app, there are several different ways how you can make a phone call. This is the keypad right here, or you can tap on the keypad tab at the bottom to open up the keypad. And next you need to put in a phone number that you want to make the call. So for example, I'll put in this random phone number, and once you have put in a phone number, tap on the dial button. Alright, and that will allow you to make the call. During the call you can put in loudspeaker or you can connect to a headphone. Okay, so that is one of the way how you can make a call. You can also make a call from the Recents tab. So the Recents tab will show you a history of all the incoming and outgoing call. So in here you can go down the list and select a phone number or a contact that you want to call. So for example, this one right here, I can tap on that and then tap on the call button, and this will allow me to place the call. Now again, in this list here, you can also swipe across like this to make the call. So that is another way how you can make the call, is by simply sliding across. Now you can also make a call by simply tapping on the contacts here. So I'm going to tap on the contacts tab, and in your contacts list you can open up a contact and then tap on the phone button here to make the call. Again, in here you can also swipe across to make the call. Okay, very similar to messages. So if you receive a message from somebody, you can open up your message. So here I can open up a message, and here I can also call them directly. So tap on the call button. Okay, that is another way how you can call them. So you can call them from a text message, or you can open up the phone app to make the call. Now if you want to make a video call, you can open up a contact. So open up a contact, and then in here there is a video icon. This is basically using Duo app. So it is a Duo app, a Google video app application to make the call. So you can tap on that, and that will allow you to make a video call. To make a video call, you need to have an access to the internet, so either through Wi-Fi or you need to use your mobile data. If you don't have that, then you will not be able to make a video call. Okay, so let's take a look at this list here. Alright, so that is how you can make a call.
Results from the web.
Now to receive a call, when there is an incoming call, your phone will notify you, and you can tap on the answer button. You can swipe it across to answer the call. If you want to decline the call, you can tap on the red button. So drag the red button across to decline the call. And that is how you can decline a call. For the call screen, if you want to receive calls in pop-up or in full screen, you can go into settings. And in settings, we can choose call display while using apps. So we can choose full screen or small pop-up or in mini pop-up. So if you choose small mini pop-up, so let's say while you are using another app like this one here, and if you receive an incoming call, it will show a small mini pop-up, which you can also expand it into full screen. So you can see here, this is a small pop-up. I can tap on that to expand into a full screen, and I can tap on the answer button. So you need to swipe on the green button to answer the call. And once you are in a call, you can put on loudspeaker. You can add in additional call, whole call, use Bluetooth so that you can connect to your headphone. You can mute the call, or you can open up the keypad to enter in additional option. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.